Hi friends, welcome to Clever Mum, where smart, simple tips transform your busy days. Let's jump in. Rushed mornings, chaotic schedules, skipped breakfasts. This isn't just your story, it's a universal struggle. You're jolted out of bed by the alarm, barely keeping pace with the chaos. Kids scrambling to dress, bags left unpacked, and breakfast forgotten. For some, mornings start without food altogether. For others, it's a quick, sugary snack that crashes harder than caffeine. But what if it didn't have to be this way? Imagine mornings that flow smoothly, a moment to breathe, to connect, with breakfast transforming from an afterthought to a foundation for the day. Picture the scene, a table filled with smiles, calm conversation, and a nourishing meal that takes minutes to prepare but fuels hours of energy. Sounds dreamy? It's simpler than you think. Stick around, because this is the first step to making this vision real. Therefore, we're revealing deceptively simple, kid-friendly breakfast solutions, not just food, but a mindset shift for balanced days. Ready? Let's begin taking control, one delicious bite at a time. Skipping breakfast or settling for sugary fillers is more than a bad habit. It's a cycle. You begin exhausted, you stay exhausted. But the problem isn't time, it's planning. That's where overnight oats come in, a miracle solution masquerading as simplicity. Imagine breakfast literally making itself while you sleep. A jar, some oats, milk, or your plant-based favorite, and then creativity. Mix in honey for sweetness or maple syrup for indulgence. Add fruits, plump blueberries, ripe bananas, or sprinkle chia seeds for that subtle crunch. The magic happens in the fridge overnight, delivering a creamy, nutrient-packed meal by morning. So versatile, overnight oats can be cinnamon warm with apple chunks or a sweet cacao strawberry dream. Even the pickiest eaters will dive in when they customize their perfect combo. What's better? Your mornings stay stress-free because breakfast is grab and go, and guilt-free because it's wholesome. Never again will rushing mean compromising your health. Therefore, overnight oats guarantee mornings that start with ease and energy, one spoonful at a time. Not into oats? No problem. Enter egg muffins, a protein-rich powerhouse that's tailor-made for busy mornings. Here's the plan. Whisk eggs into a golden, velvety mixture. Then toss in your family's favorite fillings: bell peppers, spinach, sharp cheddar, crispy bacon, or fragrant herbs. Pour it all into a muffin tin and watch as the oven works its magic. What you'll get are fluffy, savory little cups of energy. Here's the best part, they're portable. Running late? Grab one, reheat it in seconds, and you're set. This isn't just breakfast, it's meal prep genius. But their true charm lies in customization. Picky child? They can make their own creations. Health conscious? Load them with veggies. Craving indulgence? Cheese and bacon to the rescue. These muffins last days in the fridge without losing their flavor. Proof that homemade doesn't have to be overwhelming. Egg muffins don't just fuel your body. They eliminate the stress of figuring out morning meals, one muffin at a time. Short on time and ideas, let's simplify. Peanut butter toast. It's quick, it's easy, but it's also so much more when you think beyond the basics. Let's start. Take whole grain bread, the kind full of fiber and slow-burning carbs that keep hunger at bay. Spread on peanut butter. Now comes the fun. Don't settle. Banana slices add a sweet creamy combo, or maybe chia seeds for crunch and omega-3s. Feeling indulgent? A drizzle of honey or grated dark chocolate, trust us, makes it gourmet. The beauty is in its simplicity and versatility. It's nutritious enough to keep you full, yet playful enough for kids to get creative, decorating their own slices into funny faces or patterns. Therefore, whether you're hustling out the door or sitting down for a quiet 5 minutes, peanut butter toast adapts. It's the meal you can rely on for energy, satisfaction, and just a little flair, no matter how hectic your day starts. Want something healthy that feels luxurious? Yogurt parfaits are the answer. Their beauty lies not just in flavour, but in layers, literally. Start with creamy Greek yogurt, a protein base that keeps you full. Then add a handful of crunchy granola for texture. Next comes a colourful cascade of fruits: juicy berries, ripe sliced kiwis, vibrant mango chunks. Build it in a mason jar the night before for an effortless grab and go, or let family members design theirs for a laid-back weekend morning. Every bite is a delicious collision of tangy, sweet and crunchy. Here's the kicker. Parfaits make breakfast indulgent, but not indulgent on effort. They give you nutrients, fibre, vitamins, satisfying protein, and keep you smiling as you savour them. Therefore, they're perfect for rushed weekdays, yet still special enough to enjoy on slow mornings. Want a breakfast that feels like a reward and a conscious choice every time? Parfaits have you covered. Let's take a moment to reflect. Today, we've explored breakfasts that aren't just meals, they're tools for creating better mornings. Overnight oats that make themselves overnight. Egg muffins designed to fuel even your busiest days. Peanut butter toast that's both simple and endlessly customizable. And yogurt parfaits so elegant they feel like a reward, but the recipes are just the beginning. Each serves as a small but critical shift in how your mornings unfold. Imagine saying goodbye to rushed chaos and deprivation. Instead, you greet the day with balance and nourishment. There's something here for everyone. Families can bond over making and enjoying customized meals. Individuals feeling the grind of busy routines can enjoy healthy options without wasting time. These aren't just quick fixes, they're stepping stones for reclaiming your mornings. Therefore, the challenge is simple. Commit to trying one recipe tomorrow. Set your alarm, pick a favourite, and see how it transforms your morning and maybe your day. Change doesn't need to be dramatic, it begins with a decision. Which recipe will you try first? Clever Mum is here to support you every step of the way. Thanks for watching. If these breakfast ideas inspired you today, give this video a like and hit subscribe to join the Clever Mum community. Share your thoughts below. What recipe are you starting with? Together, let's simplify mornings for everyone. See you next time.